how are you doing, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Myfirstwigs. As you can see, lovely packaging as usual. So today I am trying out their Yaki textured air lace wigs. So it's meant to basically work glueless method and also with the spray. So I'm going to try out both sides to see how it looks, and also let's just check out the wig, right? So we have this beautiful Yaki texture wig. Look at the color, it's so stunning, and this is like perfect for winter. I'm trying to get red, but I'll be patient for that. But can you see the air lace? So this is meant to blend nicely in with my skin with the spray and without. But without further ado, let's get started. Wow, this looks so good. Oh my god, that's like so easy. That was so easy. Okay guys, the way this wig feels so snug and so nice on my head, the way this hair feels and the color, the length, god damn. Okay. Okay, so first off, I'm going to show you the lace, what it looks like. Already pre-plucked and ready to go. So I'm going to start by cutting the lace. I'm going to pin the hair back, that way I don't cut anything, because God knows I always do that. So as you can see, I've cut the lace and it looks really good already, and I haven't even stuck it down. I feel like the only thing that will make this look super realistic is if I actually just put like tinted mousse on it or foundation, just to see what the hairline would look first and foremost completely without any spray on it. So I'm just gonna put this. So now I finished my makeup and the edges are still holding. This wig is so snug, guys. Like, I love it. So I'm gonna do my baby hairs now and just finish styling this wig and show you the final look. Enjoy. So hey loves, I finally finished this video and I finally finished the wig. Isn't it stunning? I knew it was gonna come out really nice. The color though, like gosh, the lace though, like oh wow, it looks so stunning. I really love the air lace. I feel like it just blends perfectly with my skin. You don't even need any glue or any spray. You can literally just pop it on and it will lay flat and it will just disappear. The perfect tip I have for you is to use tinted mousse on your lace because it makes the world of difference. You don't have to deal with foundation. This is perfect for beginners. The color is amazing for beginners, so people who want to try color. The lace is amazing, the wig's amazing, the texture is amazing. I love it. So yes guys, all the information about this wig will be in the description bar below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you liked it. I love my hair. It's stunning. Oh my god. Like, yes, so needed. Oh, thank you. And I'll see you in my next one. Big up yourselves. My G's.